Jai Hind, Goa citizens. My name is Rahul Gupta. I am SP Cybercrime in Goa. Fraud, which is very prevalent, is investment fraud. So, what happens in this kind of fraud is that you will see an advertisement on Facebook, Instagram, or Telegram. Somebody might send you a WhatsApp link also. Fraudster will claim that you will get high returns on your investment. And for that, you will have to join some Telegram group or WhatsApp group. They will send you the link of that group. You will join that group, and in that group, there will be a lot of people who will be taking stock investment tips, and you will see that they will ask for investment in one of their bank accounts, and you will transfer the money. There will be an online platform where you can see that your investment that you have done, they are rising day by day. So the trust, you will gain a lot of trust over that company. Such kind of investment advertisement is there because genuine investment platforms are governed by financial rules across the country, governed by RBI guidelines, SEBI rules, and such kind of online platforms are mostly fraud. If somebody is giving you returns on your investment that seem very high, you should always start doubting. Nowadays, there are TV advertisement for investment apps is going on, so person naturally feels that he should also invest. But we should always make an informed choice. We should always take an advice from somebody who is familiar with this kind of financial investment, with the stocks trading, and then only we should invest. And if you come across such kind of advertisement, you should immediately block it, because if you don't block it, if you are interested in such kind of advertisement, they will keep coming to you, because that's how the social media algorithm works, that if you show interest into a particular topic, they will keep pushing you that kind of similar kind of ads. So you should always block it. You can consult with your friends to verify the genuinity, and then only make such kind of choices. Thank you.